Another thing for when I'm working on shapes with kids, I'll usually pull up a blank page like this. Again, they know now how to use all of this. I'll say, okay, let's go ahead and make a picture, but we need 4 triangles, 3 circles, and a square or whatever. So they'll go in and make their picture using, whatever shapes I've told them. And they can make whatever picture they want. Or if I'm practicing colors, again, that's more with my kids just learning English and my younger kids. I'll say, okay, you need to use the colors green, purple, and red. So they can do whatever they want with them, but they have to use those colors in the picture. And then they get to make a picture, which they love to do.